The massive volume of active drone brood is kept in climate-controlled chambers. Robotic manipulators
Temperature and humidity levels are stable for the transition.
Confirmed. Proceed to misting stage.
A delicate, soft suction system gently pulls the milky white larvae directly out of their cells. The extracted larvae The perfectly cooled larvae accumulate in the hopper, ready for the next stage. A robotic sensor
This massive stainless steel tank holds the high-quality acacia honey. Its temperature is meticulously controlled and The jars return to the main line, where an automated labeling machine applies the artisanal paper label to the hexagonal
With the temperature confirmed, the finalized product is loaded into refrigerated transport, ready for distribution to the customer market.
Displayed prominently, the bee larva honey infusion stands out, inviting customers to explore its unique texture and premium packaging.
As the infusion is gently stirred into the hot tea, the milky white larvae dissolve, releasing the full aroma of the...
This is our signature bee larva honey infusion. Would you like a taste?
Oh, wow, that is absolutely delicious. It's so rich. Yeah.
Wow, that is excellent. The sweet, milky flavor really comes through. Process A is a success.
The moisture content is stable at 18%, and the pH confirms no degradation. The infusion meets all quality standards.
The optical clarity is absolute, proving the successful infusion technique. This marks the final quality check before Process A is concluded.
The internal temperature is reading slightly high on the main display.
I just adjusted the valve. It should stabilize now.
The skimmed liquid wax flows into the multi-stage filtration system, entering as a deep yellow opaque.
Temperature is stable at 45.2 degrees Celsius.
Confirmed. Ready for pouring.
The thermal data confirms the wax is cooling evenly from the exterior area inwards. Crucial.
The Purite Carnivores wax blocks are moved into a dedicated, climate-controlled warehouse area.
Our Process B material meets the highest international standards. We guarantee 99.9%. The digital records match the physical logs exactly. Purity is confirmed.
Good. We can authorize the shipment.
Weight distribution is good.
Okay, I've got the chain. Get the netting ready.
Our purified cappings wax is precisely formulated and dispensed, demonstrating its crucial role in the texture and stability of the final product. The massive volume of these derivative products illustrates the widespread market reach and commercial success of the purified cappings wax blocks.
Our Process B ensures industry-leading consistency, as you can see in the batch data.
Impressive results. This meets our specifications perfectly. From residual raw material to high-value consumer goods, this demonstrates the robust industrial logic and